Hey guys, Shamil here with New Water Glass, and I'm here working on Porsche, and it's a 2016 Porsche Cayman windshield with the rain sensor, antenna, a full package. I think it's 3888 part number if I'm not mistaken, Pilkington. One thing, if you work on a Porsche uses a Pilkington glass. If you order from dealer, they'll sell you Pilkington glass without the label because original OEM glass says Pilkington with no Porsche label on it. Just go get it from Pilkington, same thing, you'll save like 500 bucks. It's the same glass. But I'm not talking about the car, I'm actually talking about new glue from Dow Xpress 30. Now, I've been using this Express, but it's a 1 hour cure. If I would work on a car like that, I would use 400 because it's non-conductive, high viscosity, and high modulus. You know, a lot of wires. That thing has like antenna, rain sensor, some chip in it, everything, so much stuff going on one windshield. I would use this, so there'll be no problems. But now, Dow has Express 30. Safe drive time away 30 minutes. It's same as this. High modulus, non-conductive, high viscosity, 30 minutes drive away. Also, if you use this, you cannot use clear that you use on this. You gotta use 5504. Primer on this, on the glass, and a pinch weld. I already primed that. It's just sitting there drying. Also with this is thick when you put it on. Actually feels great, especially if you love doing V-shape. It will stand up. My friend in Arizona, CBA glass, Jeffrey, he said that he used the sample, but then he had to cut it out and it felt very hard. But that's Arizona, hard, you know, 120 degrees and stuff. Here in New Jersey, different temperature. I have never cut the glass out after installing with this, but installing with this, it feels very nice. Try it out. I definitely like it. Car like this, 30 minutes to go, and you know, high viscosity, non-conductive. Feels great. Alright guys, this quick video. Thank you.